Hello everybody. I finally got my diamond painting in the mail and I am going to unbox it now so we can see what is in my package and how it came. So I'm going to get on with it. Well, so far I've got some bubble wrap. And this looks to be my diamond painting. It says made in China. Lovely. Cube drill. Let's open it up and see what we have going here. Well, maybe. Good Lord. Maybe I'm going to have to cut it. It looks like I'm going to have to cut it. Alright. Put that in the trash. Let's see what we got. Okay, we have our little set for starting the diamond painting. Comes with the wax, the boat, the stylus, and some baggies. But fortunately enough, I went to Harbor Freight and I got me some storage for my drills. So that'll make that a lot better. Get that out of the way and actually open up my diamond painting. Here is some of my collars. This painting is going to match my bedroom. This is why I bought it. I have a lot of silvers and blacks and grays and everything going on in my bedroom. So that's what that's for. Lots of pretty collars. I'm not sure if you guys can see that very well, but it's definitely going to be pretty. Let's go ahead and open this. Wow, they really bent it up. I'm not liking that very well. It's a 35 by 30 centimeters. G1006. It has 10 drill collars. It is made by Cube Drill. And that's how it looks. I think it's going to be very pretty when it's done. So anyway, that is it. That is freshly out of the box. And this is going to be my new whip. Not sure of when I will get it done, but I will be making videos on me working on it until I get it done. So thank you very much for watching. Everybody have a good day.